Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are continuing with the series and we're trying to make a practical use case for this GPT API. We'll be trying to summarize a YouTube video. We'll fetch the YouTube video, we'll get the subtitles, we'll feed the text to GPT to summarize the whole video for us, right? And we'll do the same for article summary to get the article content, the web page, and then we'll feed the text to GPT. Okay, so let's get, without wasting time, let's get started. Please refer to my previous videos if you haven't done the setup. I'll be moving from here. This code is just to load the env and I set it into the operating system for OpenAI API key, or OpenAI object can use that key from the operating system as it is without hard coding the key. So let's get started. We'll be using two new libraries today. We'll have this this is the feature rich command line audio video downloader with support for thousands of sites, right? By default this will make 3 attempts to download a video before giving up and moving on to the next one. You can also configure this number of retries. You can have multiple video format options. It lets you choose the video format you want to download, such as MP4, WebM, or other types. You can also set video quality as well as the resolution, right? And the second library we'll be using to summarize the article is newspaper 3K. Actually 4K is out. This is pretty old library, but it gets the work done. So you can try newspaper 4K if possible, but this will work for now. I don't think there was support, it didn't work for me, so I'm using 3K. And so this will help you in extracting and curating articles from news websites or other article websites, leveraging automatic parsers and NLP techniques, right? It aims to extract significant details such as title, author, article content, images, summaries, and other relevant information. So the primary goal is to efficiently extract the main textual while eliminating any unnecessary elements or boilerplate text that doesn't contribute to the core information. So whatever if unnecessary text you have in the middle or advertisements or whatever, it will skip those. And after we get the text from the web page, we'll be feeding that text to GPT and ask it to summarize it for us, right? Let's get started from this code first. I'll be explaining this code. Simply, I'll be feeding a URL. I'll be feeding this function a URL to a YouTube video. So what happens is it will get the URL. It will make a output directory called ytSubs. It has, I've already run this code, so it has ytSubs folder already. If it exists, then okay. If it doesn't, then create a output directory. Then it will have download options. For downloading options, we have skip download. It is to say that don't download the video itself. The other is write subtitles, which means write subtitles if available. Then it has write automatic sub. This is to use auto-generated subtitles if normal ones don't exist. Subtitles format VTT. So this is to download in web VTT format .vtt, right? Then out TMPL, I don't remember what it does. Quiet is don't print the logs. After this we'll be using the library method ytdlp, and it will download the video and extract information from it. We'll also need to get the ID from the video, which will help us to find out which ID these subs belongs to, right? Then we'll try to find the VTT file in the output directory using the video ID, and if a VTT file is found, then read it character by character, and also remove the timestamps. Timestamps are those 1 minute to 3 minute with including these arrows in between. So we'll be removing the timestamps from the text, and then we'll clean the spaces and return back the text to GPT. Then we'll be using the text to ask GPT to summarize it, right? And this function is much cleaner. This is for newspaper. Okay, basically we'll be giving a URL to this function and it will get the article for us. It will download and it will parse the article in proper format and then we'll summarize that text, right, and then print it. Let's run this from the top. First of all, let me show you let's run this from the top first. API key found, and this function is also working, and we have defined our OpenAI function. It will get the text and get GPT to summarize. I've also limited max tokens to 300 because using more tokens it would cost us a lot more, and using the GPT mini because it's cheaper. And simply just we are feeding it the prompt and then getting back the response and stripping away the spaces from the response, right? Let's run this. This is the YouTube video link. Let me show you what video this is. One of Dark Souls series. So
Dark Souls had a story, you ask?
this is
Indeed. Perhaps if your vision was obvious,
like satirical parody type summary for Dark Souls gaming series. So I'll be using this video for summary, and text I'll be using this. Oh my god, Medium article of myself. I wrote this article a while back. This is the article that telling that AI can be unfair depending on the data that's fed to it. And so let's see how it summarizes these two in this video and article, right? Okay, FFmpeg not found. The downloaded format may not be the best available. It has downloaded our script. These are the subtitles that we got. They were auto-generated or the author already had them. And this is a summary. The video transcript presents a humorous and exaggerated retelling of the lore of Dark Souls, featuring characters such as dragons, Lord Gwyn, and Seath. It introduces themes of humor through interaction among dragons. They were boast about their existences and mock Seath for his lack of scales and legs. Okay, so it has given us a summary, and the video ends with creator Eli expressing his struggles in making the cartoon and inviting viewers to explore his other works, right? So it's working fine. So we downloaded and we got the summary for the subs. Whenever you have a long video, you can do this, but just try to break down the text into smaller chunks so GPT doesn't get overwhelmed and charge you a lot more for this, right? And now we have our article. So this is made by AI systems due to skewed data or flawed algorithms, right? And there were bias in resume screening and AI hiring tools, civil scores, creditworthiness, healthcare algorithms had bias based on ethnicity, right? And facial recognition in policing. This facial recognition also gets affected by AI bias because of data. It's not intentional. It could be it's mostly unintentional, so we just have to be aware. So it has given us a perfect summary for large articles, for larger videos. We can use this is an actual practical example. You can make an app, or you can write your own project and host it somewhere that anyone can use, or just a simple you can add it to your resume to showcase your skills, right? Thanks guys. So next time we'll be doing something more interesting. Please stay with me on this playlist, AI for Beginners. I'll be trying to give more practical videos that are actually useful, right? See you guys in the next video.